Hi developers, this is Yuvraj, and today in this video I'm going to explain all about of the programming language. So let's understand what programming language exactly is. So first question is, what is programming language? I have already created a slides for you. Okay, so I will give you a very basic and easy example and definition. I will not take any bookish language and definition. Suppose that you have a problem and you have to tell them that problem so that someone other can solve that problem for you and give you a solution for that problem. So what you will do, you will explain your problem to someone. How you can explain? Using some language so that they can understand your problem, and based on understanding they will provide you a solution. Same thing is happens with the programming language. Let's say this is a person A and he has a problem and he not able to solve his problem. So what he will do, he will explain his problem to someone, let's say another person B. Okay, to solve his person A problem, he needs to explain his problem to person B. So how he can explain? He will use some language like Hindi, English, etc. He can use any language. Okay, so he will understand, he needs to understand the person B needs to understand the person A language, and after that he will reply something. Same thing is happens with the programming language. Suppose that we have some problem, so what we do, we give some instruction to the computer, and computer take this instruction and execute it. Okay, execute this instruction, and based on this instruction it reply back us. Okay, it reply back with some output. So programming language is nothing, it is a language for the computers, so that we can explain our problem to the computer system. This is nothing all. Okay, why we use it? Same, I already explained it. Why we use to explain our problem to computer system. Okay, to explain our problem to computer system. And how to use, I will give answer of this question in the upcoming videos when we code. Okay, then I will explain. So that's it for now, and if you found the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe, and till then keep learning, and thanks. Bye. Thank you.